What's up, family? It's your boy Lando Says. Hope all is well. So the other day I did a video talking about how to trade options, up down options with crypto.com.
If you are watching this video because you just get,
and we broke down everything. I did a trade, lost a quick $100, didn't take long, and my thing was to teach you guys how to do it, then probably start trading over there and showing people exactly how to trade. But after having it for a while, it's a scam. It's waste of money right now, in my opinion. The reason being, I already trade, and I do it with MEXC. You guys want MEXC? Get the link in the bio and all that stuff, right? But look, so first thing first, when you go over to crypto.com, you only have two options. You have Bitcoin and you have Ethereum. Nothing else. You could trade Bitcoin or you could trade Ethereum. See those two at the bottom. You click Bitcoin, and let's say we want it to go up. Look at your options. The target price, meaning you want the price to go to 27,300, 27,200, 27,100, or 27,000. Those are your only options. And the stop, look at it, 26,600, 26,700. This is a 400 range. And if you look at the price, you can say up here, if you look at the price, you see it's bad. It's bad because look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin can change in a few $100s in seconds. Like, it don't take too long. It don't take years. It don't take months. Within seconds, the price can go up to 28,000, 27,000. And when I originally did it, I lost my money so quick because it's like, okay, if you go past here, I made probably like $40. Well, I seen $40 profits. But the problem is, once it go past this, you automatically lose your money. There is not no stop loss or no profit stop. So say, for example, I'm like, look, I want Bitcoin to hit 26,700. And once it hit that, it's no trigger that say, okay, you made $50, you made $30. But they like, look, worst case, you can lose this 367. Once it hit this price, you're done. The difference is, for people to actually trade or have an idea what's going on MEXC, this is how it actually works. You go over here and you go to futures. Over there, crypto.com is more of option trading for stocks. This is future trading for crypto. First, look at the options. You get XRP to any crypto you can think of. See more. You have all type of cryptocurrencies, whatever you want. You want ApeCoin, we can do Ape. You want Mana, you can do Mana. You got a lot of options, right? You can trade on a computer where you can actually see the trend, see what's going on. And when you buy a position, you can decide your risk, how much collateral you want to take, times 20, all the way down to 1 up to 200. So you can be less risky as possible, high risk all the way to the top. And you can trigger when you want to buy and when you want to sell. Because when I put in options, I would usually be like, okay, I putting in $100. I am willing to lose. What's up, kid? To lose $40. So once it go to that price where I will lose $40, it will automatically sell. It makes no sense to do it over on a crypto.com, to be honest. I won't be trading over there until they change it. It was a great thought, but once I seen what they're doing, it's a waste of your money, to be honest. You will lose money, damn near guaranteed. It's not worth it. That's my honest thoughts. Let me know if you guys tried it in the comments. If you guys, what's up? If you guys like it or not. Talk to y'all soon. Say what's up. Say like and subscribe. Thank you.